Welcome to the Fix It Tech News channel, and let's talk a little bit about the Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been around for a while now, and it gets attention from time to time with, its value. Of course, the Bitcoin is a virtual currency, and for a long time, banks and many organizations and companies thought that, this cannot be trusted and we shouldn't dabble in it. But I think it's proven that it is, here to stay. It's a very volatile currency, though, and it's making the news again this month, especially today, January 8th, 2021, because it has now passed the $40,000 value for one Bitcoin, which is totally crazy when you think about it. So $40,000 value for the Bitcoin. It is very it varies so much that it's kind of a difficult thing to grasp to get Bitcoins or not. But it is definitely getting a lot of value, and it's going to be interesting to see if it continues soaring at such a high price. We know that there's a limited availability of Bitcoins. There's a maximum amount of Bitcoins that exist out there, and it's getting more and more difficult to mine Bitcoin. For those that have that idea, it's kind of something almost impossible today compared to the beginning, when mining Bitcoins was really something that was easy to be done, because there were no Bitcoins available much, so there was a lot of the Bitcoins that were easy to get. But today, Bitcoins are difficult to mine. So past the $40,000 value, this is pretty incredible, and we'll be following the currency and seeing, is it going to be dropping drastically again or going up, and up? We'll see what happens with that. But if you had Bitcoins when it was really cheap to buy them, and you've got them now at $40,000 each, you are a lucky Bitcoin owner. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.